Hi, this is the video how to pay monthly transfer to GMO Bank via ATM. Please prepare with these two items before start. First, your bank card, and second, your GMO card details. This is the steps how to pay monthly transfer to GMO Bank via ATM. First, insert the card. Select transfer options. Choose other bank. Tap Cocoon in to confirm. Enter your bank passcode. Tap this option. Select AG. Select GMO Azorajinko. Input the branch name first katakana letter, according to your GMO card guide. Select according to the card. Select Futsu. Input bank destination account number accord to guide card. Each account is unique per one SIM card. Input your monthly bill fee, according to guide booklet, or confirm with your seller if unsure. Tap Cocoon in to confirm. Tap Henka Shernai. Enter your phone number. Tap Cocoon in to confirm. Confirm the remittance content. Tap Cocoon in to confirm. Tap Toraku Suru if you want to register your GMO Bank destination for future transfer. Tap Cocoon in to confirm. And done, keep the receipt and payment. Hopefully this video can useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and follow our Facebook page. Thank you.